That was an amazing time. Super fun time though. Still just basically a cruise. We went on a little night cruise. What's up everybody? Alright, so Daikoku is over and I am doing the next thing before I actually roll out of here. We're gonna view the Yokohama Loop. I've never done it before. It should be fun. We're starting here at Daikoku and then running this Yokohama Loop with a few cars. We got the R34 GT-R right behind me, the Lotus Elise S2000 and an FD RX-7. So pretty cool bunch of cars. Sure, I mean the only thing we're missing is like a Supra and maybe an NSX or something like that. Man, it's gonna be pretty cool. JDM legends all rolling together. Lotus is not a JDM legend, but it's still a cool car. Should be pretty fun. So we're gonna go run. I got the 360 cam. We're gonna be using that the entire time and you're gonna see all the cars running and it's gonna be just freaking epic. So I can't wait. done running the Yokohama Loop. That was an amazing time. Got out there with the 34 GTR, Lotus Elise, S2000, I think 3 FDR7s if I'm not mistaken. All of them, every car, you know, modified, a ton of fun, good handling. Went out there, ran. We actually weren't going crazy speeds, although it might look like it. We really weren't going crazy speeds. We were pretty much around speed limit. Super fun time though. Still just basically a cruise. We went on a little night cruise after Daikoku. Super cool to kind of take that loop, a famous loop, the Yokohama Loop. It was a good time. I know there's other loops here in Japan. Get a chance to run those over time, but this is the closest one right here, and that was a really good time. I had fun and look forward to running more in the future. That was it. The Yokohama Loop and the 34 GTR. Cross that off the list. Anyways, time to roll out of here. Getting super tired, even though my adrenaline is pumping because that was fun. And that will conclude the epicness of this Japan trip until my next one. All right, check you out later. The garage at this hotel closes early. I have to run inside and let them know, hey, please open up the garage so I can get in.